Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Prudy. If you're new here, thanks for joining in today. So today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you all this effective hair growth treatment to add to your hair growth journey. If you're wanting to grow your hair longer, thicker and stronger with minimal shading, just keep watching. I would like to share with you guys what my hair was looking like before I did this treatment. My hair is so dry right here. You can see it's frizzy and it is almost impossible to manipulate my hair. I was literally struggling to manipulate my hair at this level. But I'm going to be showing you this treatment. This treatment is all you can add to your hair growth treatment. When you use this treatment, so you're going to have very little breakage and you are going to retain length. So the first ingredients you'll be needing here is banana. The benefit of banana to hair is just a lot. Banana is rich in potassium, vitamins and natural oils. It smooths frizzy hair and makes hair shiner and more manageable. The next ingredient is avocado. You can never go wrong by adding avocado to your hair growth routine because avocado nourishes hair. It promotes a healthy scalp due to its various kind of vitamin like A, B, C, D, and E. So using avocado on your hair comes with a host of benefits. So guys, always incorporate avocado into your hair growth routine. The next ingredient I'm going to be adding is an egg. There are some nutrients found in eggs that keeps your hair thick and healthy. So guys, mayonnaise does an amazing job to the hair. It straightens your hair when used as a hair mask and also leaves your hair shining. So what is this hair growth treatment like without me adding olive oil? Olive oil softens and strengthens hair by penetrating hair shaft and preserving its moisture. I'm going to be adding the almighty aloe vera. Aloe vera helps to calm itchy scalp. It also prevents dandruff and it helps to straighten hair. So aloe vera is the deal, guys. This treatment is nothing without aloe vera. So finally, I'm going to be adding honey. Honey has great humectants properties, making it a great hair growth moisturizer. So all these ingredients put together makes your hair softer, thicker, longer, and you're going to have like zero breakage. I am done with the blending process. I'm just going to strain everything because I do not want to be left with residue on my hair. Sometimes these residues are very difficult to wash out. This is actually what I was talking about. Do not let this into your hair because the washing process might be very difficult. So guys, I'm going to be showing you how to apply this on your hair. My hair was very frizzy, so I'm just going to moisturize my hair with some water. Then I try to work the water in with my fingers. Then I begin with applying the treatment into my hair. This treatment, guys, I do not want to stress a lot what this does to your hair. I would like to ask you all to try it and leave me a comment down and let me know how it works for your hair. But for my hair, I can swear by this thing. That's for me. That's what it does to my hair. So guys, this treatment also adds some definition to my hair. My coils was popping. I'm just going to apply the rest of the treatment to my hair. When I'm done, I'm going to wear a shower cap for like 30 to 45 minutes. After which, I'm going to rinse off the treatment and my hair is ready for styling. So if you made it right to this very end of this video, I want to thank you all for watching. But first, don't go without subscribing to my channel, sharing this video with your friends and family, and turning on your post notification bell so that each time I upload a video, you will be notified. Thank you all for watching and see you again on my next video.